Corleo is an advanced robotic platform engineered to move with remarkable stability and precision, inspired by the biomechanics of agile terrestrial creatures. Designed for research, exploration, and high-mobility tasks, this robot incorporates multi-axis articulation, dynamic balancing algorithms, and adaptive terrain response. Corleo's structural frame is built from reinforced lightweight composites, allowing it to maintain exceptional strength without sacrificing speed or endurance. Its sensory suite includes depth cameras, LiDAR, and real-time motion prediction software, enabling autonomous navigation in unpredictable environments. Whether climbing uneven slopes, maneuvering in tight industrial spaces, or performing delicate inspection tasks, Corleo consistently demonstrates a unique blend of power and precision. As robotics continues evolving toward more lifelike movement, Corleo stands out as a model of what next-generation legged platforms can achieve. Its modular design also supports rapid upgrades, making it ideal for laboratories, universities, and tech developers seeking a versatile mobile robotics solution. With its combination of durability, intelligence, and adaptability, Corleo represents a bold step toward the future of field robotics. Charlie is a compact humanoid robot designed to showcase natural, expressive, and highly adaptive movement. Built with soft-actuated joints and smooth motor controls, Charlie moves with a lifelike flow rather than the rigid motion typical of most robots. Its balanced posture and responsive gait allow it to navigate tight indoor environments, perform simple tasks, and interact safely with people around it. Equipped with depth sensors, facial recognition, and spatial awareness, Charlie can detect human gestures, follow voice commands, and adjust its behavior in real time. Its software architecture is modular, allowing researchers and students to program new motions, refine control algorithms, or test interaction scenarios without complex setup. This makes Charlie a versatile tool for robotics education, human-robot interaction studies, and general mobility research. The robotic whale shark is an impressive biomimetic machine designed to replicate the graceful, efficient movement of the world's largest fish. Built with flexible, segmented panels and soft mechanical fins, it glides through the water with smooth propulsion rather than harsh mechanical thrusts. This lifelike motion makes it ideal for underwater research, environmental monitoring, and public education, as it can explore marine environments without disturbing wildlife. Equipped with cameras, sonar modules, and real-time navigation systems, the robot can map underwater terrain, observe marine species, or capture high-quality footage in areas too risky or deep for divers. Its buoyancy-optimized structure allows steady movement even in challenging currents, while its quiet electric drive ensures minimal environmental impact. Cavutom RX-03 is a giant, rideable robotic beetle crafted to showcase mechanical artistry and advanced robotics engineering. Powered by hydraulic actuators and a reinforced exoskeleton frame, it mimics the posture and strength of a rhinoceros beetle, while allowing a human pilot to control its movement. The RX-03 features articulated legs, smooth stepping motion, and responsive steering that make it surprisingly agile for its size. Designed for exhibitions, robotics, demonstrations, and engineering research, the machine blends entertainment with serious mechanical innovation. Its cockpit includes safety controls, motion stabilizers, and adjustable walking speed, making it safe for public demonstration. By combining striking visual design with functional motion, Cavutom RX-03 highlights how robotics can turn imagination into full-scale mechanical creatures. The Mondo Spider is a large-scale walking machine engineered to deliver powerful, fluid motion through 8 fully articulating legs. Unlike wheeled robots, it uses a custom linkage mechanism to walk smoothly across flat terrain, showcasing an impressive fusion of art and mechanical engineering. Powered by an electric motor system, it moves quietly while maintaining strong torque and stability. The open frame structure reveals its mechanical inner workings, making it a fascinating platform for educational demonstrations. Originally created for artistic installations, The Mondo spider has become an iconic example of real-life mechanical creatures capable of carrying a pilot while walking naturally. Its blend of strength, elegance, and biomimetic movement demonstrates the surprising potential of multi-legged robotic vehicles. This robot replicates the movements and proportions of the elegant red crown crane, using lightweight carbon frame structures and precision servo motors to achieve realistic wing motion and balanced standing posture. Designed for environmental education, wildlife research, and robotic studies, the crane robot can demonstrate bird locomotion without disturbing natural habitats. Its smooth, slow gait and articulated wings allow researchers to model avian biomechanics in controlled settings. With sensors for balance and positional awareness, the robot can maintain stable motion even on uneven terrain. Perfect for museums, conservation programs, or academic demonstrations, this robotic crane blends lifelike behavior with advanced control systems, offering a unique window into avian movement. Evologic's Quadroin is an autonomous underwater robot shaped like a small dolphin, engineered for efficient long-range aquatic exploration. Its streamlined body and oscillating tail give it incredibly smooth propulsion, reducing drag and noise during missions. Equipped with sonar, environmental sensors, and high-resolution cameras, Quadroin can map seafloors, inspect underwater structures, and track marine life. Its AI-driven navigation enables it to avoid obstacles and maintain stability even in strong currents. With long battery endurance and modular payload options, Quadroin is used in scientific research, environmental monitoring, and underwater surveying. Its biomimetic design not only increases efficiency, but also minimizes disturbance to marine ecosystem. NASA's EELS, Exobiology Extant Life Surveyor, is a futuristic serpentine robot designed to navigate extreme extraterrestrial terrain. Its segmented body and screw-like rotating tracks allow it to traverse ice, sand, rocky surfaces, and potentially even descend into the icy vents of moons like Enceladus. EELS is packed with sensors, LiDAR, radar, cameras, and environmental detectors that allow real-time mapping and autonomous movement in places where wheels or legs would fail. Built for high adaptability and self-recovery, the robot can continue operating even if parts of the terrain shift unexpectedly. Designed for future deep space missions, EELS represents NASA's ambition to create robots capable of exploring worlds humans cannot yet reach. X-Fly is a compact robotic aircraft that merges drone agility with glider-like efficiency. Using a lightweight airframe and variable geometry wings, it can perform stable, long-duration flights while still maintaining precise maneuverability. Equipped with navigation cameras, IMU sensors, and autonomous flight algorithms, X-Fly can conduct aerial mapping, environmental observation, and rapid response inspections. Its efficient propulsion system allows extended range, making it ideal for research teams needing reliable overhead data. With modular components and foldable design, X-Fly is easy to transport and deploy, perfect for field scientists, educators, and tech developers exploring advanced aerial robotics. Centauro is a highly capable disaster response robot featuring a centaur-like form. 4 durable wheeled legs paired with a sophisticated upper body equipped with 2 multi-jointed arms. Developed for complex rescue operations, Centauro excels at navigating debris, opening doors, operating tools, and clearing obstacles that would be dangerous for human responders. Its robust construction allows it to survive harsh environments, while its advanced teleoperation interface gives operators precise control. The robot is packed with sensors, LiDAR, stereo cameras, torque feedback which enables situational awareness and stable movement across rugged terrain. Designed to work where humans cannot, Centauro represents a major advancement in emergency robotics. MantaDroid is a biomimetic aquatic robot inspired by the smooth, gliding motion of manta rays. Built with flexible artificial fins and a lightweight waterproof shell, it moves gracefully through water with minimal noise. This makes it ideal for studying marine environments and capturing underwater footage without disturbing wildlife. MantaDroid's propulsion system uses undulating fin motion rather than propellers, allowing higher efficiency and improved maneuverability. Equipped with sensors and cameras, it can navigate coral reefs, underwater caves, and shallow coastal zones with ease. Its simplicity, durability, and natural swimming pattern make it a standout example of bio-inspired robotics. SPD-1 is a compact exploration robot designed for mobility in tight, unpredictable terrain. Its multi-wheel, suspension-based design allows it to move rapidly over rocks, slopes, and uneven ground while maintaining strong balance. Equipped with real-time mapping tools and autonomous navigation, SPD-1 is ideal for search missions, scientific surveys, and reconnaissance tasks. Its lightweight frame makes it highly portable, yet durable enough for harsh conditions. SPD-1's modular architecture allows easy integration of new sensors, thermal cameras, environmental probes, or communication modules, making it flexible for research teams. The robot's speed, stability, and adaptability give it an edge in challenging field environments. Mothlan is an AI-powered pet robot designed to express lifelike emotions through sound, motion, and behavior patterns. Covered in soft fur and built around an adaptive emotional algorithm, Mothlan responds to touch, voice, and presence, creating a warm, comforting interaction experience. It learns user habits over time, adjusting its reactions and forming unique behavioral traits. While simple on the surface, Mothlan's internal system uses sophisticated neural modeling to emulate the unpredictability and charm of a living pet. Ideal for companionship, therapy environments, and educational tech programs, Mothlan showcases how robotics can bring emotional intelligence into everyday life. The robot giraffe is a towering mechanical creature designed to replicate the height, posture, and gentle movement of a real giraffe. Built using lightweight metals and precision actuators, it can bend its neck, move its legs, and engage in slow, graceful motion. Often used in festivals, science museums, and engineering showcases, this robot captures attention while teaching principles of large-scale robotics. Despite its massive size, its movement remains controlled and safe, thanks to advanced balancing systems and sensor feedback. The robot giraffe highlights the potential of robotics to blend art, education, and engineering in a single iconic machine. Agnathax is a snake-like swimming robot inspired by ancient jawless fish. Its slender, flexible body uses distributed servos to create wave-like movement, allowing it to glide effortlessly through water. This natural propulsion makes it ideal for underwater inspections, pipeline monitoring, and scientific observation. Agnathax's modular design lets researchers attach custom sensors, from temperature gauges to microcameras. Its soft outer shell reduces noise and improves hydrodynamics, enabling operation in delicate marine ecosystems. With high maneuverability and low power consumption, Agnatha X demonstrates the power of biomimicry in underwater robotics. Titanoboa is a massive, rideable, robotic serpent stretching over 30 feet in length. Built as a mechanical spectacle and engineering masterpiece, it slithers, using an intricate series of articulated segments powered by synchronized motors. Its movement is smooth, serpentine, and visually striking, making it a highlight at exhibitions and tech events. Internally, Titanoboa features a complex control system that ensures stability and coordinated motion across every segment. Although primarily an art robotics project, it demonstrates real-world principles of distributed robotics, advanced linkage systems, and large-scale kinetic design. Sea Ray is an advanced underwater drone built for fast, streamlined exploration. With a torpedo-style shape and high-efficiency propulsion, it can cover large distances at speed while maintaining smooth stability. Its 4 kelvins camera and sonar sensors enable detailed mapping, wildlife observation, and structural inspection. The robot's hydrodynamic body minimizes drag, allowing long-duration missions. Sea Ray's modular electronics base supports different scientific payloads, making it valuable for marine biologists, environmental agencies, and oceanographic researchers seeking fast, reliable data collection. MetaPanda is a friendly, expressive robot designed to blend adorability with high-tech performance. Using smooth actuated limbs and advanced facial expression mechanics, it can display emotions, interact with people, and perform simple tasks. Ideal for education and public outreach, MetaPanda makes robotics approachable for audiences of all ages. Its AI learning system allows it to adapt responses based on user interaction. Built with safe, rounded materials and soft motion controls, MetaPanda is a perfect ambassador for showcasing human-robot communication. Pigeonbot is a breakthrough bio-inspired robot that mimics the wing structure of real birds using feather-like surfaces and morphing joints. Unlike fixed-wing drones, PigeonBot adjusts its wing shape dynamically for stability and maneuverability. This allows tight turns, smooth gliding, and improved energy efficiency. Developed for research in aerodynamics and avian motion, PigeonBot helps scientists understand how birds achieve their incredible agility. It also serves as a platform for developing future aircraft with flexible wing technology. Morphex is a shape-shifting hexapod robot that transforms between a walking mode and a rolling spherical mode. With its 6 independently controlled legs, it can navigate rough terrain, climb small obstacles, a popular platform for robotics, research, and demonstration. Spacebok is a quadruped robot built to test locomotion techniques for low-gravity environments, such as the Moon or Mars. Inspired by antelopes, it can perform controlled hopping to conserve energy and maintain balance in reduced gravity. Its lightweight frame and powerful legs allow efficient movement, while its onboard sensors ensure stable navigation. Designed for space research labs, Spacebok demonstrates how agile robots can explore extraterrestrial terrain where wheeled rovers struggle. CyberDog 2 is Xiaomi's next-generation robotic dog, featuring improved agility, expressive interaction, and advanced sensing capabilities. With upgraded actuators, it moves smoothly and quickly, performing jumps, turns, and precise maneuvers. Its AI-powered vision system recognizes faces, gestures, and objects, while its voice interface allows natural interaction. CyberDog 2 serves as both a developer platform and an impressive demonstration of consumer-friendly robotics. With a sleek design and enhanced emotional behavior, it represents Xiaomi's push toward accessible, intelligent, robotic companions. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.